I didn't get that on camera either. Damn it.
Yeah, it's not over the camera.
Oh man, I done messed up my body. That's okay.
All right. All right, you guys. I got one. And it's too big to unbox inside. So let's just unbox it right here outside in the beautiful weather in the Pacific Northwest here in Washington. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I don't want to waste too much time, but I just want to point a couple things out. How cool is that? Thank you, Chris Higa, for designing this awesome, amazing machine. All right, well, here we go, guys. Let's get this bad boy out of the box. Oh, 50 pounds, my butt. Ah, there it is, guys. We got it out. What's it come with? Batteries, manual, tools, straps, and a remote. And a big box for the trash. Okay, there it is. That is the lineup. I know we didn't really finish the unboxing, guys, but I just wanted to show you a little bit of a size difference. Check it out, guys. You can see right past the rear bumper of the 2.0. 3.0 bumper sticking out. And if you look up front, well, the 3.0 sticking out, just the fuzz. Look at the bumper. Guys, it's humongous. Let's go ahead and take a walk around. So I'm not sure if this is actually a short course truck. I think Losi is actually calling it a desert truck now because of, well, look at that, guys. It's got this rear tire on the back. We're going to take that off. See this truck, guys? No rear tire. This thing's an absolute ripper. I'll show you guys. We got the Hobby Wing Max 4 and the 680 can in this truck. Here we go. Hey, I've hit that chair too.
She liked that chair. It's a magnet.